Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make an egg sandwich for school lunch. First, gather all your fresh ingredients like eggs, bread, and mayonnaise. Next, prepare your eggs by boiling them to your preferred doneness. Then, assemble the sandwich with your delicious egg mixture and any additional toppings. Finally, learn how to pack it securely so it stays fresh until lunchtime. Let's start with the eggs. Boil 2 to 3 eggs for about 7 to 8 minutes to achieve a firm yolk. Once cooked, immediately transfer them to an ice bath. This stops the cooking process and makes peeling much easier. After peeling, chop the eggs into small, consistent pieces. Mix them with a few tablespoons of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of mustard, and a pinch of salt and pepper for a creamy, flavorful filling. Now let's build your sandwich. Select 2 slices of your favorite bread, whether it's whole wheat, white, or sourdough. For extra flavor and to prevent sogginess, spread a thin layer of butter or mayonnaise on each slice. Spoon a generous amount of your prepared egg salad onto one slice. For a delightful crunch and added nutrition, layer some fresh lettuce or spinach on top before adding the second slice of bread. Proper packing is key to a fresh lunch. Wrap your finished egg sandwich tightly in plastic wrap or parchment paper to keep it from drying out. Then, place it inside an airtight container to protect it from being crushed. To ensure it stays cool and safe until lunchtime, always include an ice pack in your lunchbox. Don't forget a napkin and perhaps a small piece of fruit for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.